Welcome back, students and parents. In today's video, we will talk about that pronouns that can play the indirect object role in a sentence. Which is a reflexive pronoun? What is a reflexive pronoun? A reflexive pronoun can be a direct object in a sentence when the subject and the direct object are one and the same. Basically, these words end in either self as in the singular form or selves as in the plural form. In other words, when you use the words myself or yourself, you're using reflexive pronouns. You will understand better with the example. Imagine. The girl is looking in a mirror. What do you see? I see. The girl is looking at herself in the mirror. Here. Herself is a reflexive pronoun. There are 8 reflexive pronouns. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. Singular reflexive pronouns are myself, yourself, himself, herself, and itself. Plural reflexive pronouns ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Let's understand reflexive pronouns by reviewing the basic parts of a sentence. A sentence follows subject plus verb plus object word order. The subject is the person, place, or thing doing an action. The verb is the action that is being done. The object is the person, place, or thing being acted upon. For example, Sarah ate waffles. Sarah is the subject. Ate is the verb. Waffles is the object. Using a reflexive noun means you do not have to repeat the subject. These pronouns are most commonly used when an object is the same as the subject. It means that the object reflects the subject. Imagine. You're looking at yourself in your old photos. What do you see? You see yourself in your old photos. Here the following table breaks down. You see yourself in your old photos, sentence into its parts. Sentence. Reflexive pronoun. Subject, you. Verb, see. Object, you. Because the subject and the object are the same in the sentence, so a reflexive pronoun is used. However, the object is written as yourself. There are other reflexive pronouns than just yourself. Let's find other examples that show all of the reflexive pronouns. Subject. Reflexive pronoun. Example. I. Myself. I love myself. You, singular, yourself. You love yourself. He. Himself. He loves himself. She. Herself. She loves herself. It. Itself. It loves itself. You all, plural. Yourselves. You love yourselves. We. Ourselves. We love ourselves. Them. Themselves. They love themselves. Solve the exercise to gain a better understanding of how reflexive pronouns work. Choose the best answer to complete each sentence. Here are the answers. Thanks for watching. Take a look at other videos to find out the other kinds of pronouns that we have. Click on the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. Please do share and comment, and don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video.